Hi there and welcome everyone to a new gigs tutorial here in Rakamedia.com. In today's video we'll be showing you how to repair or fix your running shoes or sneakers. Welcome back. So as you said, we need to fix this running shoes, which is as you can see it here, it is damaged, so and it will be in worry. And it will crack, so we need to fix it before we lose it. So for this task we're gonna need a few things. Number one, we're gonna need a glue tube. You can also use a stronger glue like this one, and also we're gonna need a glue tape. So let's head on to work. So first of all, you need to make sure that there are no to clean them properly. After cleaning the dust, you can use an abrasive paper like this one, and clean the old glue was there. As you can see, it has become a little bit soft. So this will be better. Make sure that the dust will be removed so that the glue could fix properly. So it's clean now. Let's see, so there are some dust. Okay, I think that's enough. So let's apply now the glue. So take the tube glue. So it must have this shape in order to help you get the glue inside. Hold it tight. Don't add too much. There are other places you can fix them too, but first we'll deal with this one. If there are some extra, just remove it with the paper. That's it. So now it comes the time for the
www.rackmedia.com.
Hold it tight, and now it comes the time for applying the tape. To hold it together. Yeah. So make sure that you close the tube. It may evaporate. Yes, as you can see here, it has stuck. Yeah. Strange. That's enough. Yeah. As you can see, it has come back to its place, but it needs time to dry. So this will help. When the glue gets dry, next you can remove the tape and you will have repaired shoes. Okay. So as we said, we can have some parts here and here. You can just add glue and press it. Remove the excess. Press it tightly. Next side. Press both from inside and from outside and remove the excess glue. That's it. So now all you have to do is to keep your shoes get dry and then take off the tape, and you will notice that your shoes has been repaired easily. If you still have other kind of shoes, on the next episode or video we'll be dealing with the football shoes. Okay, like this one will show you how to fix it. So check our next video for repairing this one and getting other ideas on how to whiten your sneakers and get them bright again. Thank you for watching. Hope this have helped you fix your shoes and save some money. See you next time. Peace. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, do consider sharing it. Click on the like button and go ahead and leave us a comment below. We'd love to hear from you, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and the notifications to get the latest tutorials that will inspire, empower and connect you.
www.rackmedia.com.
Bye for now. See you next video.